FYI, best Chrome tips and tricks for Windows 11. Here are some best Chrome tips and tricks for Windows 11. 1. Google Chrome Incognito Mode. 2. Open multiple pages in one go. 3. Chrome with guest mode. 4. Cast your screen with the TV, RGHT, click on anywhere in the Chrome tab. 5. Create a shortcut on desktop. 6. Drag and drop media directly in Chrome. 7. Quick search. 8. Autofill 9. Search your tabs. 10. Reopen close tab. 11. Change font size. 12. Use Chrome as a multimedia player. 13. How to view 3D models in Windows 11. Using Chrome Task Manager. 14. Use other search engines in Chrome. 15. Chrome keyboard shortcuts. Ctrl+N, open a new window. Ctrl+T, open a new tab. Ctrl+Shift+N, to open a window in incognito mode. Ctrl+Shift+T, open recently closed tab. Ctrl+Tab or Ctrl+Page down, go to next open tab. Control H, open page history. Control plus 1, open the first tab. Control plus J, open the downloads. Shift plus ESC, Chrome Task Manager F5, reload/refresh. Control plus F5, hard refresh.